and a glue gun. Whoa! The empty tissue roll and the scissors and the glue gun is here on my table. Now let's start baking them. So okay guys, now let's start cutting the tissue roll. Now guys, here is our tissue roll cut. Let me show you a simple magic trick. Whoa! My God, my tissue roll already became cold. That is so amazing. You know what, guys? I'll tell you another secret. I actually got help from the magic hands. Whoa! Did you see those magic hands, guys? They were so amazing! By the way, let's make the ice cream now! So now guys, for the ice cream, we're gonna need small pieces of fabric. Or if you have leftover cloth, you can use it because, you know, this fabric is from my last nahian. Okay, so you're also gonna need a thread with a needle with a thread and a scissors and a glue gun. Okay guys, so you just have to cut your fabric into a circle like this and you to the edge of the fabric to make like this. Whoa, it became like a I forgot! You have to put the cotton inside to make it like a real ice cream. Okay guys, so we have this ice cream filled now with cotton. And so now we're going to put the design like here at the bottom. So we're going to need small fabric. Voila! Now we have the design for the bottom. We're going to do like this. And next, we're going to put the glue gun under here so that we can stick it here at the bottom of the ice cream. So there you go. That's how we made our ice cream first. And we also have chocolate mint and some chocolate strawberry and mint, cookies and cream, and vanilla. I already know the chocolate. So okay guys, so let's now put them on the ice cream stand. videos. Bye!